Unlock the power of AI-driven conversations by integrating ChatGPT with Twilio, transforming the way you communicate. First, make sure you have accounts set up on both Twilio and OpenAI. You'll need a Twilio phone number and an OpenAI API key to get started. I'll provide links in the description below. Next, set up your development environment. You will need to install the Twilio and OpenAI Python libraries or the equivalent libraries in your programming language of choice. Be sure to fill in your Twilio account SID, auth token, and Twilio phone number in your code. You can find these on the Twilio dashboard. Now, let's write the code to receive incoming messages, pass them to ChatGPT, and send the generated response back to the user. You'll need to create a simple web server using a framework like Flask or Django to handle incoming Twilio webhooks. Within your server, extract the incoming SMS message from the Twilio request, then use your OpenAI API key to send this message to ChatGPT. The API will process the message and return a relevant response based on its vast knowledge base. Finally, take the response from ChatGPT and use the Twilio API to send it back to the user via SMS. You can customize the message further or add logic to refine the conversation flow. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated ChatGPT with Twilio to create an intelligent and engaging communication experience. Be sure to experiment and explore different prompts to see what amazing applications you can build. Subscribe for more exciting AI integrations.